Welcome. Today we will see how Spark can completely change how your team creates test cases. Let's see it in action. Here we have a user story for a login page. Notice it does not reference any of the UI components from the mock design. We can also see that there are new requirement changes in the comment sections. Allison is requesting to disable two-factor authentication for these provided test users, and Jose would like the system to redirect these admin users to the admin portal instead. Now that we know the initial requirements and the changes, we can begin generating our test cases. But before we do that, let's see what we can customize. In the AI generation settings, we choose the model we want and the types of test cases we'd like Spark to generate. We can also provide additional context by sharing the UI designs and any comments added by our teammates. In this case, Allison's comment includes an image, so we'll add that as well. This helps Spark better understand the full context of the requirement. Before we save and exit, let's head into the Jira settings to define how our test cases will be created. Since this project uses a custom issue type, we can select it directly from the dropdown and add labels to make filtering easier later on. We can also pre-fill native Jira fields here, ensuring the generated test cases fit seamlessly into our existing workflow. Let's click Save and Close and then simply hit Generate. Now we let Spark do its magic. After a few seconds, we can see Spark has generated a variety of test cases, including functional, UI, and even security scenarios. Let's open one of the test cases to see what Spark created. Clicking a test case opens the Review dialog. This allows you to easily review, edit, or remove specific parts of the test before it's created. If there are any tests you don't want, you can also remove them directly from the list with a single click. Once you're happy with the results, just click Create All, and Spark will start creating the test cases directly in Jira. After the process is complete, we can refresh the page and see our test cases neatly created and linked to the original user story. How do they actually look inside Jira? Let's take a look. Here, we can see that the test cases are well organized in the issue description and include the changes we made during the review step. Plus, every test case is created with the pre-filled Jira fields we defined earlier, such as priority, labels, and other metadata, ensuring consistency across the project and our test cases. That's Spark in action. From understanding your requirements to generating high-quality, customizable, and context-aware test cases, Spark removes the manual effort from test creation and lets your team focus on what really matters, delivering reliable software faster. Thanks for watching.